Today, we're going to transform the back of your bakkie with the powerful application of Power Rubberguard. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the area you intend to spray, ensuring a pristine canvas for your finish. Use a Scotch pad to roughen the surface. This step is crucial for strong adhesion and durability. If you spot any rust, don't worry. Treat it promptly with Trust Rust Converter Primer to ensure a solid foundation. Before diving into the spraying process, meticulously tape the edges of your designated area. Shield your bakkie with plastic sheeting to safeguard against any accidental overspray, because every detail matters. A 1-liter bottle of Rubberguard fits seamlessly into most stone chip or underbody sealing guns. Ensure your compressor packs enough power to deliver an even spray for optimal coverage. Now, unleash the Rubberguard onto your surface. Use a steady back and forth and side-to-side motion, keeping a consistent distance as demonstrated in the video. Your technique sets the stage for a flawless finish. Once the first coat feels touch dry, it's time to apply a second coat. While 2 coats are ideal for a robust lining, feel free to go up to 5 coats for unparalleled protection and style. Remove the tape immediately after the final coat dries to ensure crisp, clean edges. If needed, use a blade to refine the edges. Attention to detail elevates your project. Patience pays off. Allow the coating to cure for 7 days before exposing it to any rough treatment. This step guarantees long-lasting performance and a stunning finish.